Hello. Oh, whoops. My return zeros. Oh, it is called dynamic font. That's weird. All right. Oh. So we're going to map this stuff. Okay, get name from current, get name. Type wanted string, oh yeah. Draw text. It's font, XY, color, effect, font. Oh, draw prepared text. Draw text, font, XY, text, color. I just didn't get that one. Okay. That's sub-expressions. Not dedecal, but decal. GL disable. Draw mixer history. Oh, whoops. Let's call that body. Okay, width in get string width in pixels. Update window events. We'll do all that. Procedure is deprecated. We'll just run with it anyway. Simp.drawText. Create context. Instead of that, we're going to do simp init of some kind, right? How does this work? Okay. What is start window? Bananas proc. Oh yeah, okay. We'll do that. Oh no. We'll do that in bananas start. I think we can delete this. I think this is long ago fixed, but we'll see. Get foreground window, that's a Windows. This is Windows, this is Windows. Windows, Windows. Oh. Right, let's... Okay. So long since this has compiled. Dot expression dot load in closing load. Fully pathed file name. Let's just say decal. Wait, we have text as the name. I don't know. Okay, events, set thread priority. So this GL create context, we want simp init. Okay, instead of GL create context, we have simp init. Okay. Events is frame my window FGHwind. Not a very polite name. Okay. Okay. Instead of update window events, because we are running on simp, we have update window. Events this frame. We're just going to copy all this stuff. Okay. Events. Oh, that is literally the same. That's the wrong place for that. You had a dream where you were in the beta. So did I. What a great coincidence. Wait, create window. Create window. I think I can just go, whoops, window type. I think I can say my window is create window. I think we cleaned that up. My window, get font at size, window width. I wrote Winido. Winido. Fake news. Fake news. Fake news. Boom, boom, boom. Fake news. My init fonts doesn't exist. Get font at size. Not a thing. Okay, the example. My init fonts. We'll do that right after simp init. And my get font. Oh, we don't want to set the working directory in here. That's fake news. Because this should be a module that other people could use and whatever. Meh. Okay, so these are all going to be simp dot simp dot simp dot simp dot going to do that after we set window height. Get font at size has changed. We have this back. Oh, we got rid of the backup font name because that was stupid. We got a window. We got a window. The sound module is not starting. Interestingly, maybe we're not doing the right thing to initialize it. We're initting. Set cooperative level failed. hwind null. Because compile window handle is not a thing. My window. Gone. Yeah, we really have not touched bananas in a very long time. So now we get to figure out why nothing is appearing on the screen. Probably because I commented some stuff out and or etc. Let's go in the simp example. Oh, we're not doing really swap buffers. Yeah, we need simp.swap buffers for anything to ever appear. What do we do at the start of the frame? And then our draw quad stuff. Oh yeah, all this stuff is no check-in. No wonder. Okay, so we're going to go KKK1. We're going to do these. Going to do the aspect ratio. I don't know why. Going to enable blend. Let's just try that. Gsimp. That's the super simp that we haven't even made yet. Because I put the G. All right. Compile window handle is my window, and small caps. Where is font effects? Dot small caps. Why do I got so many? Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Simp draw text. Small caps. Okay. We're just going to keep moving on down and do more and more. More and more and more. Simp, 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 simp. Okay. We're still not getting any procedures, but you know. Oh, the mixer history, that's going to be exciting. Okay, we're not really drawing any mixer history. All right. And then we're going to have to investigate that later. I don't... Oh, because draw quad... Dude, our draw quad doesn't frickin' do anything. What we want is simp draw quad, draw quad immediate quad. We're going to go simp immediate quad P0, P1, P2, P3. Now check in speed. All right. Boom. And then this one is going to be similarly immediate quad P0, P1, P2, P3, UV0, U where U0, U1, U2, U3, color. We're just going to eventually just rewrite the calls to this. Wait, no. Color up here. Semicolon. We use semicolons every day. Okay, we still don't have anything. Why not? Immediate set, 2D projection. We probably call that what do we do in the simp example? We might be rendering at the wrong scale. That's how old this code might be. Did I turn the swap buffers on? Hopefully I did. Yep. Okay, well, let's just get more of the function. Draw stat declarations. Ah, we're drawing the word by name. That's exciting. It's exciting. Let me close this window over here. Okay, so one thing that's happening is we are not let's just delete this, right? Yeah, okay. So we init the bananas mutex. We create the bananas thread. We go bananas thread. Wait. Bananas proc. So we go start window. Wait, why is there a sleep here? Update my GUI. That's up there. Hold on. The swap, there's a swap buffers and a sleep here in draw window, which is update my GUI. Okay, firstly, we should do events first. We all know that. Everybody knows that. And then draw a window. And then this stuff, we've already got a sleep out here, and the swap buffers. Nah, that's fine. Okay. Interestingly, we don't exit when I hit escape, but it does see the event. Okay, so why are my rectum and angles? And I think it's because we don't say set shader for color. We're going to say nope. What is going on? Draw mixer. What is something really simple? Draw quad. P0, 1, 2, 3. Stat declarations. I'm just going to print these. Yep, they're at the wrong scale. Wrong scale. Okay. Why are the coordinates the wrong scale? Draw stat. Hey, we got a rectangle. Oh my gosh. Okay, see, I've got to take out this times render width because that's at the wrong scale. There we go. There we go. I don't know why it's white. It's not okay to be white. Okay, so all these coordinates are totally jacked. Hey, we're starting to see things. What marathon? I'm going to do a big... Okay, so one of the deals is, hey, in the long term for the compiler, for it to get much faster speed than we have right now, right now we do about 230,000 lines per second. For the compiler to get much faster than it is right now, we probably need to parallelize eventually. And that's hard, and we're not going to do that all at once, but what we're going to do is make some big progress refactoring the data structures in the compiler to be more parallelizable, right? And that's going to be painful and annoying, which is why, and it's also scary, right? But I'm going to put in a whole big day of just cranking on that. And hopefully at the end of the day, we'll have something that compiles again and just has different data structures. Do you think it would be beneficial to focus on Qigong itself or to practice a related martial art? I mean, here's the thing. It all depends on two factors. A, what you're interested in, and B, what you can learn from someone who's good, right? Like, all of those areas are very deep. Like, Qigong by itself can go really deep. Kung Fu by itself can go really deep. Tai Chi by itself can go really deep. So it's like, which of those do you like more? And who can you learn from that's good? And, if you're beginning, you don't really know how to know if someone's good, right? That's the perennial challenge. So I think just kind of wing it, try some of it out, and just see what you like. It's all just very situational, right? It's like, if you get someone really good to teach you stuff, then just do what that guy can teach you, and then maybe you do that for a while, and then you've got that, and you could go look at something else even. I don't know. Okay, we've got rectangles on the screen, though. That's amazing. It's amazing. Why are all the colors messed up? Because even if we're drawing samples on there, if they're on top of each other, then that's no good. Am I passing the parameters to draw quad? Oh, because, okay, we're setting the color as like the GL frickin' color. Draw quad. FG. Right? Oh. Yeah, because draw quad here didn't take a parameter. Because that was implicit state in GL. And that's a bad way to do color. All right. FG. Wait, BG? BG? And then FG? FG maybe? Mixer history samples. color vector 4, and then color 451 Fahrenheit. Where are we? Probably FG. I don't know. Like, I'm not sure. I shouldn't have deleted all the GL colors. FG. We could do a diff maybe and see, or I could break open the laptop. Look at that. Compile time execution, baby. It's been a while. It's been a while. Okay, why are we rejecting all the procedures? Let's figure that out. We could turn down the volume a little bit. Okay, so let's just bananas messages. So we pass the message, right? Right? That'll go, right? Hold on. There we go. We're getting a lot of hi. Okay. So I guess we're rejecting. Still no procedures. Okay, we get a lot of declarations here. Degle.expression.kind. Oh! We changed this shit. We changed it. I did a whole thing where I changed how this works. Oh my goodness. I'd done changed how this works. Okay. I should have recognized that. So this is going to be, we don't want declarations. We want procedure bodies. Because that's in an array just for us. So for decal info, we're going to call that proc info instead. And proc info is type checked code procedure body. And then we're going to have to change some stuff. But that's fine. All right. This is fine. Proc info, we actually know this. Body, return body header name, right? Okay, I've got to change a bunch of stuff here again. A.expression. Okay, we don't need that. Body is A.expression. A.expression. Boom. Stat declarations, right? TC type wanted pointer to type checked if procedure body. Oh, really? Oh, because we're going over declarations. Wait, what was it called again? Procedure bodies, yeah. Body is tc.expression. And we just don't even need that. We're skipping elsewheres. All right. There we go. We've got procedures. Ring Ring Banana Phone. I don't even know what song that is. That's way more procedures than we ever had to give to this thing, by the way. Which is wonderful. Okay, so down here, by name, label color, draw stat declarations. Maybe we don't want label color. Let's just go to draw stat declarations. We quick sort. We go color. We draw a quad with BG. The BGs. There we go. Okay, the mouse tracking is probably at the wrong scale. So for people who are not familiar, this is running at compile time. And I think I demoed this in the first ever demo of the compiler that I did in 2014. That's how old this is. Maybe later. Maybe it was second, but I think it was the first demo. Mouse tracking. Mouse. Current file name. Current stat declaration. Okay. SX and SY. Pos.x divided by window width, not render width, please. Let's just print this out. Okay, so we're dividing by the width, but we don't actually want that. So this is just hard-coded. All right. Okay, hold on. So I think we're supposed to be drawing the name, And I think we're maybe not doing that. Yep, we're selecting the different file names. We're supposed to be drawing it down here, but those coordinates are probably wrong. But it's cool to see that working, so let's figure that out. This is like the cursor thing. Draw text p0.x. Okay, we don't want a times render width here. Hey, there we go. Okay. I feel like we just want to move this up the screen slightly. Or something, or maybe make the font smaller. Sort's kind of slow on 8,000 things. Oh, am I using bubble sort still? We might not have had faster sorts. By file, by size, you can see the little ramps. What file is this? Editor. Why does it sometimes say one or sometimes the other? I don't know. Probably reasons. Like, who wants your program to be well defined? Come on. We actually did change it to quick sort. That's good. Still a little slow on 8,000 procedures. We might have to work on that. Or like inline it, make a version that's inlined. I don't know how much that would help. Anyway. Okay. Let's move this up a little bit. So draw stat declarations is too low on the screen. There we go. There's a lot more files than there used to be. I'm going to need to add the ability to zoom and all kinds of stuff here. So the unable to create process. Emacs client. C. Program files. Emacs 26.3. It's very hard coded for my machine. Bin Emacs client. Alright, so we're going to go here. Still doesn't exit though. Alright, can I open a file? Boom, unable to create process. I forget what you have to do in Emacs to start the server. How do you start the server? MetaX server, no. MetaX server start. Restarting server. Okay, I guess it was already started. Okay, what if I do this from a shell? How did I have it before? Ugh, very bright. Okay, come on, guys. Editor. I mean, I just quoted it the same way. I'll just look at how we run it now. It just had spaces in it, though. All right. Let's look at that. Editor. Wait. Nobody's using that string. What? Mouse button left. Full name. Emacs client. Wait. We're not even running the thing. Editor. I don't have Emacs client in my path. Error accessing server file. Okay. It's because we're configured incorrectly. Where is my Emacs.d? This is in like some, how do I get it to not tilde expand? Fuck you. Server. I don't remember how to, now I'm doing Emacs instead of bananas. I want to do bananas. set server file location. Fix error accessing server file. Okay, that's garbage. I have no patience for this. I'm so pissed off right now. This error message should tell me in the error message how to set the location of the server file. Fuck this. God, I'm so stupid. So stupid. Well, I guess I'm not going to do that right now because I can't figure it out. All right. But it goes away if I downgrade? No. No, it's not going to. Because this is a thing that you would set. Like the Emacs client. All right, so here we go. In the OS run command. Emacs.d. I don't fucking know where it is. And I don't, it's telling me tilde, but where the fuck is that, right? It's in desktop documents, whatever. Like Windows makes it horrible, right? So many things are failures that are dovetailing right now. What do you mean in bananas? What? Oh, this. Right. Okay. Yes. Okay, cool. I was about to look this up, but it's a good point that we're already passing that argument. We're just passing the wrong thing here. But I don't know what to put here because I don't know what the hell tilde is. I guess I have to figure it out. Users. User. Documents. Where's the frickin' roaming folder again? App data. we're going to work on it more before we ship it to the people, but we're going to ship it to the people. Music is 2 times louder than me. Well, listen. You should understand how dramatic sounding that music is and know that it's important. I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. I mean, come on. Wow, this has been a crazy project, dude. The fact that we have all this running at production quality now, where like all this just works, and like not just like a pretty funny demo, but like we have an entire game engine. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I don't actually think this was the first demo. It couldn't have been. It must have just been, because I don't think we had all this messaging system and stuff set up. It had to have happened later, right? Because, like, I think early on, we didn't have workspaces and all that stuff. That came later. So Bananas must not have been 2014. It probably was later. Bananas was later. You think this was in Prague? Ah, the first time I demoed it? Maybe. When was that 2018? No. 2017. Yeah, Invaders was definitely the first demo. I remember that for sure. Self-browsing code, compiler message loop. That sounds right. When was that posted? 2015. Okay. So this was about a year into compiler development. Also, I was growing hair out at that time. Maybe we should try that experiment again. Yeah. So that was after like about 1 year of the compiler, but like it was a year of part-time work when I was working mostly on the Witness. But still, dude, projects come a long way. Holy cow, there's been so much work to do, but it's in a good place. There's still much work to do, but we're doing okay. what I'm going to do for now, do we have no check-ins left in Bananas? Yeah, we're just going to put speed notes here. And I'm going to go back to here and turn Bananas off for now so I can check this wonderful progress in. Now when we compile, we do not open a GUI. And made Bananas run again. Some stuff is missing off from the screen. To be continued. Okay. Boom. We made Bananas run again. Do I think I'd get here if I'd open source the compiler in 2014? Probably not. It probably would have become a very generic thing. I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that YouTube video was the first actual demo. I think the prog demo of Bananas was like resurrected it later. All right, everybody. I think it's bedtime for me. Thanks for coming by. I think we're going to stream a little bit tomorrow, and then I want to do this big marathon stream on Sunday, which hopefully will go well, but literally, who knows? It could be a disaster. We are just going to see. Is that for the multi-threading? Yeah, we're not going to actually multi-thread. We're just going to rearrange data structures so that someday it'll be better for multi-threading. So what that's going to involve is, so the long-term plan, it's like, okay, we want to make it so that at parse time, we set up a bunch of data that then never gets changed after parse time, right? So there's all these different parts of the compiler that have like various work structures that get written into, right, later. So yeah, I don't know. It's going to be interesting. Like the first job is just going to be, and if I only get the first thing done, it'll be good. But the first thing is just going to be, you know, when we generate syntax tree nodes, associate them with like a container that's just like a linear set of those nodes that has an an identifier, an identifier that helps us do various other kinds of things. So like each node actually would have an integer on it that tells me which thread generated it, and well, I don't know. Or just like a unit ID of the thing. Like, it's hard to explain, but like when we're looking up the type of something later on, it's like we want to know if it's in our own unit, then our thread has control over it and we can just look. Otherwise, it's a slower operation that requires synchronization and stuff. So yeah, it's a whole thing. All right, I'm obviously in need of some sleep, so I'm going to get that. Thank you, everybody, for coming by. We might do a little more bananas tomorrow. Just like I said, there's some stuff not appearing on the screen. It's not formatting and responding to resizes and stuff. Yeah. See you later, everybody. Have a good night. Have a good night.